President Bola Tinubu has been commended for making the establishment of the Federal Medical Center in Mubi and Hong a reality. The lawmaker representing Mubi North, South and Maiha Federal constituency at the National Assembly, Ja'afar Magaji, in an interview with TVC News, says unemployment will gradually reduce in Adamawa State when the two centers commence operation fully. Bola Tinubu has more.
Mubi and Hong were among the 7 local governments in Adamawa State hitherto annexed by the outlawed Boko Haram sect before they were liberated by the Nigerian troops. Now the federal government has commenced rebuilding the damaged public infrastructure and setting up new projects in affected communities. This visit by TVC News crew to Mubi and Hong is a witness to the level of work done at the site of the ongoing Federal Medical Center following the handing over of the 2 state-owned hospitals to the Federal Ministry of Health by Governor Fintiri.
That is why when these 2 institutions were asked for to be given over to the federal government, we did not say no because we had the primary beneficiaries.
Speaking to TVC News crew, the project supervisor appeals to the state government to speed actions to pay compensation to the landowners where the projects were sited.
Yes, I have some appeal to the state government because I want the state government to please help us in paying those landowners because we are facing a lot of challenge with them. They have been crying a lot and we can feel their pains because it's not easy for someone to just come and take your property, which they are building a hospital self-development, but please let the government do something about that.
The lawmaker representing the zone at the National Assembly, in an interview with TVC News, says he is optimistic that very soon the owners of the land will be properly compensated.
They are already supporting the project because the flood that are allocated to the FMC Mubi from the state government, there is some encumbrances and the dispute about the land. But God so kind, we, the people of Mubi, you have understanding in everything. So we have pleaded to them to cooperate to the state government and federal government. There is appropriate compensation about it, which they agreed. So they are cooperating. Alhamdulillah, we are thanking them.
He also commends President Tinubu's efforts for making the project come alive after President Buhari approved the proposal.
President Buhari and Bola Tinubu, Buhari is the one that assented the bill into the law. And then the Bola Tinubu now is the one that in charge of everything, and then he did not neglect it.
It is still unknown when those that the ancestral lands were used for the 2 medical centers will be compensated by the Adamawa state government.